Hi students, so today we will read the 11th chapter of your book, that is Festivals and National Celebrations. So, do you know any of the festivals, the name of any festivals? Like recently we have celebrated Diwali, okay, before that we have celebrated Durga Puja. So there are different types of festivals are celebrated in India. India is a land of festivals. A festival is a time to celebrate, meet people, have fun and pray. Then people wear their best clothes also, and they greet one another and exchange sweets and gifts also. And India has many festivals such as Diwali, Eid, Guru Purab, Christmas, like so many festivals. Okay. So first one is we know about Diwali. So Diwali is a festival of lights. Okay, that's celebrated by Hindus. People light lamps and decorate their houses. Like you can see here, people are lighting lamps over here. Okay, decorating their houses. And some people burn sparkles also. They pray to goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of prosperity. So, praying Lakshmi, you will have excellence in prosperity. Your life will be prospered. Then we will know about Eid. The Diwali is a festival of lights, and that is celebrated by Hindus. Now we will know about Eid. So Eid is a festival of Muslims. It comes at the end of holy month of fasting, Ramzan. Okay, Ramzan is a month in which the Muslims fast along for a month. Okay, Muslims offer prayers to at the mosque. Then they wish each other Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak. Okay, and they cook good food and they return that at the end of the fasting day. You can see people were sitting at Moscow and they are greeting each other. Okay. Then we will know about Christmas. Then we will know Guru Purab. So Guru Purab is a festival celebrating the birthdays of the Sikh Gurus. It is celebrated by the Sikhs. Sikhs offer prayers at the Gurudwara. Then they feed the poor and decorate their house with lights. So in Guru Purab is celebrated as the birthdays of the Sikh Gurus. Okay. Then they offer prayers at Gurudwaras. Then they feed the poor, and a longer happens in the Gurudwara on the space of on the Guru Purab day. Okay. On that day, so many people sit together and eat together. Okay. And in Guru Purab also, people decorate their houses with lights. Then we will know about Christmas. Christmas is a celebration by the Christians, and they celebrate that Christmas on 25th of December as the birthday of Jesus Christ. They go to the church and pray. They exchange gifts and decorate the Xmas tree. You can see over here. The trees are also decorated. Okay. So they say each other Merry Christmas, and children wait for Santa Claus to bring gift. Okay. So here is Santa Claus is giving gifts to the children. Okay. So these are some of the festivals, and there are also another festivals that are called as national festivals, that is celebrated by all the Indians, all the country members. Some special days celebrated by all Indians are Independence Day. Okay, Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August because India got its independence on 15th of August 1947. So for that day, from that day, 15th August is celebrated as the Independence Day of India. Then Republic Day is celebrated on 26th of January, because from that India became republic. Means there are certain rules which applied on India, rules and regulations, our constitution. Okay, that is applied on India from 26 January 1950. So 26 January is known as celebrated as the Republic Day, and people hoist the national flag and sing the national anthem on those days. Gandhi Jayanti is also celebrated on the 2nd of October. It's Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. Okay, he was a very important leader. He helped India to gain his freedom. gained its freedom. He is also called the father of nation, and Mahatma Gandhi believed in non-violence. Okay, he believed in peace. So these are some kind of festivals we celebrate. This much in your chapter. Thank you.